Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily play the Android 13 game. So as you know, the Realme UI 14 is out, and I'm gonna show you how you can get to that game in this Realme phone. So first of all, you have to go into your settings. Now once you're on the settings, you have to scroll down and go into the about section of your phone. As you can see, it's right in there. If you're using any other phone, you can search here about phone, and you can click on this option. For most of the phones, it should be around in the last section, and you can click on that. Once you're in there, you have to click on the Android version. As you can see, it's in here. For different phones it might change, but it usually must be in this window, so you can find it easily. Once you're on this thing, you can click on the Android version. As you can see, the Android version is 13, and you have to click on this 2 3 4 times, and you can see the game is now loaded, and I can play around with it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another exciting video.